Hey everyone, welcome back to Cooking with TK. Today, you guys, we are going to make a Stromboli at home. The ingredients you will need to make a Stromboli at home, my way, you will need some pizza dough. This is a pre-made pizza dough that I bought out of Publix. You can find pre-made pizza dough in the stores, in the section where you get biscuits and croissants. But this one was handmade. It was kind of pre-rolled out. But I'm going to roll it out some more to make it a square. You're going to need some pepperoni. You're going to need some onions, some Italian sausage. You will need an egg wash. You will need Canadian bacon. And you will need low moisture mozzarella cheese, okay? You can use fresh mozzarella or the shredded. It doesn't matter. I am also going to use pesto. I'm going to use some Parmesan cheese. And you're going to need a pizza sauce, okay? So let's go ahead and let's get started on making our Stromboli. Okay, so the first thing I am going to do is I am going to brown and cook my Italian sausage. What I like to do is just pour a little oil in my pan, okay? And once I cover the bottom of my pan with the oil, the next step is to put my Italian sausage into the pan, okay? You're going to put it in your pan and you're going to crumble it up, okay? This came out of the case, and if you get the kind that's already out of the case, and that's fine, okay? And you can get about a pound of Italian sausage. Now, if you don't want to use Italian sausage, you can use other sausages like prosciutto, salami. This is just the type of meat that I have chosen to use today. Okay. Now, while your Italian sausage is cooking, I like to go ahead and throw my onions in as well and allow them to cook with it. Even though they are already cooked, I just want to add a little cook time, okay? I don't like so give all that meat some flavor together, okay? I'm going to cook this until the sausage is completely done. Now, once you have completed your meat mixture cooking, your Italian sausage and your pepperoni, what you're going to do next is you will preheat your oven to 475 degrees. Preheat your oven to 475 degrees, okay? Okay, now get you a baking sheet, a cookie sheet, or you can lay out flour, and you're going to roll your dough out into a square. I have my rolling pin. And we're going to roll this dough out into a square. So make it square on all the edges. Okay, so now I have my dough, pizza dough rolled out. I'm going to move on to the next step. My next step is to add some pizza sauce to one side, okay? I'm going to add pizza sauce to this side. I'm going to add it to the whole side, okay? I am going to get my ham, my Canadian ham, and I'm going to lay some of the ham slices down. To add our pepperoni and sausage, okay? Let me get some. Let me add some pepperoni. We want this to be nice and meaty, okay? Most people, when they think of Strombolis, they think of nice and meaty. Okay, now you have this nice and covered. Now we're going to add our sausage, okay? You can add as much as you like, but don't make it too thick to where you can't roll it, okay? Okay, so now you're going to add your cheese to the top. And this is mozzarella cheese. You can use the mozzarella slices if you choose to. We are going to roll this, okay? It looks so good. I just had to taste it. Okay. Make sure you're able to go under so that you can start to roll, okay? The first roll is going to be like this, okay? You're gonna roll it like so, okay? Can y'all see that? Okay. The next step, you're gonna roll it again. Hold everything again. You're gonna roll it like that, like so. And you are going to continue to roll this until you get it all rolled up good, okay? Wash that edge right there. And I'm gonna close this up, okay? Close it up. That's what the egg wash is there for. It's not gonna be all that pretty. Just take your finger, start going in. Okay. So you got that side tucked in. You're gonna do the same thing with the other side. Put you some egg wash around the edge. Then you're gonna tuck it and seal it. Okay. And remember, I'm not a professional chef, but I know how to make some food taste good, okay? And these are some ideas of things that you can make at home. Okay, my oven has heated up. Now we're gonna do this edge right here, okay? With the egg wash. And we're gonna bring this up like so. We have egg wash on there, okay? To help with the tucking and the sealing, okay? Bring it over on the top, okay? And what's gonna happen is you push that in, okay? Push it in, that bottom. Because we're going to transfer this really quickly to our pan, okay? Now if you don't want this to stick to your pan, what you're gonna do is you're gonna get a small amount of cornmeal. Let me wash my hand. A small amount of cornmeal. I know it's not looking pretty right now, but it's gonna look pretty when it's done. Spread the cornmeal down on the bottom, okay? Because we're gonna transfer it to the pan and we're gonna lay it on top of that cornmeal, okay? Okay. Make sure you turn your vent on. So now what you're gonna do, since I'm using this paper, I'm gonna take it to help lift it. Okay. See how that paper helped me to lift it? Out the way out. And that bottom side, where we tucked it, is gonna go on the bottom. And lay it down. I'm gonna slip this paper from under here, okay? Okay, ta-da. Okay, so now I have that. I'm gonna take it on again because I want to make sure that it's sealed properly. Okay. I want to make sure it's in the proper shape. So now I have it in the pan, and what I am going to do is I am going to top this with some egg wash, okay, like so. Okay, once you have put your stromboli in the pan and you have put your egg wash on top, my camera stopped because it said my storage was full, so I guess you guys missed some of it. The next step is to add pesto, if you like, to the top after you add egg wash. And also, I'm going to add some Parmesan cheese. You can use freshly grated, or you can use this, okay? You can also use mozzarella. Also on the inside, you can use provolone cheese if you don't want to use mozzarella cheese. Okay, you have to vent your stromboli, so you need to put some slices in it like so, like that. Let you guys see this. Okay, this is how you're gonna vent the stromboli. Just put some slits in it, okay? It has to have ventilation, okay? And then you place it in the oven on 400 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, everyone, so my my stromboli is done. As you can see, you guys, I'm getting ready to pull it out of the oven. And here, you guys, here we have it. A delicious stromboli made by Cooking with TK. Something that is easy. Okay, you guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video tutorial on how to make you a stromboli at home by Cooking with TK. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave lots of comments down below. And stay tuned to my next video. Peace. Have a great day.